Hi everybody, hope you're keeping well. It's a hit one here. A lot of people thought I'd retired from shooting, but I haven't retired at all from shooting. It's just that I've been doing a lot of pest control and I haven't been getting the footage I was getting wasn't very good. I was using the Hawk scopes are fine on the gun, but I was using an add-on and the actual quality of the footage wasn't very good, so I've gone and treated myself to one of these. I think you've seen them all before. It's the Zulus V2. This is the 3x12x40 model. It's on me FX Wildcat, FAC rated. Just put over the chronograph the other day, and that's shooting at 30.4 pound consistently, so that's good. The pellets I've been using are these Diablo's Jumbo Heavies. They're brilliant. They're 18.13 grain. They suit this gun to perfection. Lovely, very accurate and stuff like that. So yeah, so I've been getting some good footage. So basically that's it. So yeah, I recommend on those scopes. They're amazing with the ballistic calculator and everything like that. Easy to set up. So yeah, so I've got some good footage coming. So hopefully speak to you soon. Little bastard. I'll wait for him. He'll come back. Get it then. Very jittery. Very jittery tonight. Come on. There you go. Dead rat. Right. 32 yards. Won't be able to load it, you prick. They heard me then. They heard me. Yep. Got the little one. That's smack on zero. That's one dead rat. That's what we should be having. That's how to do it. That ballistic calculator smack on again. Dead rat. Baby rats, there's a nest somewhere. It's one dead rat. A big bastard. Some yards. What a shot! This is so accurate with this ballistic calculator. Bloody amazing. Let's range find that. 37 yards. What a shot! 37 yards, beautiful shot. What a shot. Down the drain. Bye bye. Dead rat. One dead big rat. Once again, the best calculator to do this thing. It's dead. Yep, dead rat. Big bugger that. Smack on 17 yards, or 16 yards. Pleased with that? That's a dead rat. It's a runner. Only a far. Yeah, he's squeaky now. Nice big rat there. 20 yards. One dead rat. Lovely shot. First one of the evening. There he is now. There, behind there. With this FAC, I'll go straight to the rumble, so let's give it a go. See if he moves. Yes, what a shot, straight through, killed it. Lovely. Another big one. There's one there. 25 yards. Slow me to go down. Dead. That's a big one. Big thud. It's a big one. Right. Oh, what a shot. That was a big rat. He's huge. There's some big ones about tonight. What a shot. Only 60. Code. 15 yards. That is a nice shot. Stone dead. Unfortunately, you can see that they've been doing something here today or last week because they put all these fences up to make it quite hard. But they've got to do the job. There's a nest down here, so that was a good shot actually. Did well to get that one. Now the one I shot before, 5 yards. That's actually by the cesspit. They're doing work there, and there was loads of them about five yards from me. Down the cesspit, so I'm going to go and have a go there again. Good shot again. Just a calculator smack on. One dead rat, 30 yards. Not messing with that one. Lovely. Twat. Dead rat. Right. What a shot. 34 yards, bang. He's dead as a dodo. It's a dead rat. Too close. That's one dead rat. I've actually put the chrono on this today and it's shooting at 30, average 30.4 pound. That's why I do it. I know this farm, so I know all the backstops. And that this backstops, well, behind that is concrete. So the pellets go through the rat, just disintegrate. That's a good shot, that. Another dead rat. Yeah, he's gone. Perished. 19 yards. Straight through it. Yeah, he's kicking it out. Okay, now what a shot. Jesus Christ. I was just packing up then.